Fix low-level fatal error. Fix 1. Run the game in compatibility mode. In some cases, you still need to run the game in compatibility mode so that the game can run well. Step 1. Exit your game first and right-click on the game desktop shortcut. Step 2. Choose Properties, and then go to the Compatibility tab. Step 3. Check the option of Run this program in compatibility mode 4, and choose a previous operating system. Choose for compatibility mode. Step 4. Click Apply and then OK. Then you can launch the game again and see if the issue has been gone. Fix 2. Update graphics driver. It is important to keep your graphics driver up to date. That's a basic condition for a good performance from your computer, your games, and any other graphics-intensive tasks. Step 1. Press the Win+X keys and open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand the display adapters and right-click on your graphics driver to choose Update Driver. Then restart your computer and see if the low-level fatal error has been fixed. Fix 3. Adjust graphics settings. You can fix the low-level fatal error by changing graphics settings. Step 1. Open your control panel by searching it in your search box and set View By as small icons. Step 2. Scroll down to choose Advanced System Settings and choose Settings. Step 3. Under the Visual Effects tab, choose Adjust for Best Performance and click Apply and OK to save the changes. Choose Adjust for Best Performance. Step 4. Then go to Display in System, Settings and set Desktop Scaling, DPI, within Windows to 100%. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you get Lost SoulAside up and running on your PC without crashes, launch issues, or that annoying UE4 fatal error. These kinds of Unreal Engine problems can be super frustrating, but a few tweaks with drivers, DirectX, or system files usually do the trick. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like. It really supports the channel and helps more people find these fixes. And if you're still having trouble, drop a comment down below with your system specs and the exact error you're seeing. I'll try to help if I can, and others might chime in too. Subscribe if you want more fix guides, performance tweaks, and updates on upcoming PC games like this one. I cover both major titles and underrated ones like Lost SoulAside, so if you're into smooth gameplay and fewer crashes, you'll want to stick around. Thanks for watching, good luck in game, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.